See the chicken? Yeah. Then we're going to add now guys, cook already, but we're going to remove the oil. So hello guys, our recipe today is chicken. This is chicken, but I'll show you. This is the chicken leg with thigh. Then we're going to remove the butt, then some of this skin. So I'll show you later guys once I'm done. We clean up this one. Then I have lemon we were going to put in the chicken, and I have beans, then I have potato, onion, and carrots, and this is the spice I'm gonna use. It's garlic powder, and then ground black pepper, and then what else? Oregano, and tarragon, and then fried chicken seasoning, and then of course my magic sarap. Okay, let's start guys. So now if you have chopstick, I'm sorry, toothpick, you can use toothpick to poke the chicken. Okay, just do that, but I'm using fork to make a hole so that the taste is gonna go inside, just like that. Yeah, and then I'm going to just keep doing it. That's what I'm doing, so that the taste will go inside, just like that. Then I'm going to add the magic sarap. Then after that, I'm going to add the fried chicken seasoning. If you have Spanish paprika, it should be good, but I don't have at home. So you can use Spanish paprika and you put in the oven, but I'm gonna use in the stove, not in the oven, because if I'm using in the stove, it costs a lot of electricity. So I'll just fry it. Okay guys, that's it. Then I'm gonna go and add a little bit oregano. Just a little bit, don't put too much. This is the spice. Then mash it. Then after that, we're going to add a lemon. Okay, just like that. Mix it. Then we're going to add lemon. Guys, I think it's gonna be good, taste good if you use oven, so that we can save some electricity bill. Just use the stove, and it's quicker, because it takes you 3 hours or 2 hours to cook this one. But I'm just using my stove, just like that. All mix, and then we're going to add the lemon juice. So this is the lemon I cut in half. Yeah, and squeeze it. There you go. Squeeze. Then I will remove the seed. There you go. Then mash. mixing up. Then now we're going to fry it. And after that, I'm going to peel off the potato, peel off the skin of potato and carrots and other things. Okay. And guys, we need to put this one on the garlic. I forgot to put on garlic. So just like that. So now I put the canola oil. Then I'm going to put this one. Chicken. That's it. The other one. Like that, guys. Up. This one, this. That's a lemon. I'll just leave it on the top of this one while frying it, because I want the taste to be good. Just like that, guys. Just leave it there. Okay. Nilagay ko. Ah! Kaya lang natin, guys. Just leave it there. And I will put in medium fire. I cut already the potato, the onion, and I just cut in small piece because I want them to cook quickly. So we're going to add this one, black pepper. Then I'm going to add garlic. And I'm going to add tarragon. Yes, this is tarragon. I like the smells of tarragon, guys. There you go. I put too much. And then let's mix. The baby beans, I'll just put it when the onion, the potato is already cooked, because I don't want to overcook the baby beans. So let's mix, and then we can add soup. My God, it's hard to explain. Now, as you can see the chicken there. Then we're going to add now in the frying pan. So we're going to put on the lid. Ayan guys, ito na. Ayan. I-mix natin para hindi masunog. Kaya ano natin yan. Transfer ko siya sa big size kasi hindi kasya sa isang wok. So, because this one is bigger than the other one. Yes, you can see. Diba? We cook longer. The potato is a little bit soft already, but I don't want to see the oil in there. It's a lot of oil. I'm going to remove later. There you go. So ayan guys. Too much oil. But I'm going to drain it. So here you go guys. Then let's add the beans now. I'm gonna remove the oil. It's too much oil. Just leave it. But it's not cooked yet. Because the chicken is not cooked yet. But we're going to remove the oil. So it's cooked. Chicken thigh with vegetable. Ito guys, pwede nyo iluto sa oven. This is daddy food. This is my food. And this is Nathan's food. So guys, hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.